Good morning, my dear students. Previous session we learned about inductance of single conductor. So, inductance of single conductor. What is the inductance of single conductor? The total flux linkage is equal to internal flux linkage plus external flux linkage. So internal flux linkage we get mu I by 8 pi plus external flux linkage we get 2 into 10 power minus I into log, if there is a 2 points d1 d2 or r1 r2, log d1 by d2 or d by r. If you take 2 into 10 power minus 7 I log d by r means d is the distance between the conductors, r is the radius of conductor. Already we know inductance L is equal flux linkage per unit current. I get cancelled. Finally we get 10 power minus 7 by 2 plus 2 into 10 power minus 7 log d by r. D is the distance between conductor. Here distance, not distance between conductor. Here have only single conductor. Distance between conductor to thickness dx. R is the radius of conductor. So finally we get 2 into 10 power minus 7 log base c d by r dash. What is a r dash? R dash is equal to 0.7788 times of r due to skin effect. Now we discuss inductance of single phase two wire line. So inductance of single phase two wire line, the having single phase means two conductors. First conductor, conductor A, second conductor, conductor B. The distance between two conductors is D. The radius of conductor is R. The radius of another conductor is R. So this is a single phase. First conductor having positive charge, definitely another conductor having negative charge or negative current, positive current and the negative current, both are in opposite. Single phase means two conductor must and should present, one is written path to another, one is written path to another. So please see current IA. What is the IA? Current carrying conductor A carrying current IA, conductor A carrying current IA, that is equal to plus I. Please observe carefully. Conductor B carrying current IB, that carrying current minus I. So what is the DAA? DAA stands for the distance between conductor A to A. The distance between conductor A to A. What is the means of distance between conductor A to A? So A to A is nothing but self radius or self GMD. Self GMD, that is equal to R dash. So the distance between conductor A to A is equal to R dash. The distance between conductor A to B. The distance between conductor A to B is D. Observe carefully. These are very important. What is the DAA? The distance between conductor A to A. What is DAB? The distance between conductor A to B. So write the flux linkage equation. Already we know, already we derive the flux linkage of conductor A. What we get in previous session, that we get 2 into 10 power minus 7 IA log 1 by DAA. So instead of R dash, I can rewritten as DAA. DAA is equal to R dash, no problem. The flux linkage of conductor is equal to internal flux linkage as well as external flux linkage. Total flux linkage we get 2 into 10 power minus 7 Ia log 1 by DAA. DAA stands for self GMD or R dash. So second equation, please see second equation. 2 into 10 power minus 7, 2 into 10 power minus 7 IB log 1 by DAB. Here there is a log 2 into 10 power minus 7 IB log 1 by DAB. So here there is a log IB log 1 by DAB. If you take 2 into 10 power minus 7 as a common, we get IA log 1 by DAA plus IB log 1 by DAB. But we know the inductance of single phase two wire line. Inductance of single phase two wire line LA is equal to flux linkage per unit current. So please see the flux linkage of conductor A is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 IA log 1 by R dash. We replace DAA into R dash, DAB into D. So if you take IA log A minus log B, substitute the formula, we get 2 into 10 power minus 7 I log D by R dash. So why we get I? The current carrying both conductors are same. One is positive, another one is negative. So we get the flux linkage of conductor A 2 into 10 power minus 7 I log D by R dash. So inductance of single phase two wire line, we get LA is equal to flux linkage of conductor A by I. That becomes II get cancelled. 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash Henry per meter. So inductance per conductor, the only one conductor, that is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. So you observe carefully the inductance of single phase or inductance of single conductor, we get same. Here this is also a single conductor LA. LB. The LA is nothing but internal flux linkage plus external flux linkage. What you get? 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. R dash is equal to 0.7788 times of R. So inductance of both the conductors is given by the formula. So both conductors means, so conductor A, conductor B. So conductor A having inductance LA, conductor B having inductance LB. So they get 2 into 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash Henry per meter. So finally we get 4 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash Henry per meter. So this is a loop inductance formula. So normally in numericals they are asking only what is the inductance. So this is the right 2 into 10 power minus 7 on log D by R dash. So sometimes they are asking find the loop inductance of single phase two wire line. So whenever they are asking the loop inductance, we using the formula 4 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash Henry per meter. So next we discuss inductance of symmetrical three phase line. Symmetrical inductance of symmetrical three phase. What is the means of three phase? In previous, single phase means they having two conductors, conductor A, conductor B. Three phase means we have three conductors A, B, C. Symmetrical, explain clearly. So this is a symmetrical three phase line. Symmetrical three phase line. Conductor A, conductor B, conductor C. The distance between conductor A to B is D. Distance between conductor B to C is D. Distance between conductor C to A is D. So all are having equal distances. All are having equal distances d. So this is called symmetrical. If the distance between conductors are not same, we will call as asymmetrical three-phase line. So now we deriving symmetrical. Symmetrical means they having equal distances. So in symmetrical three-phase line, all the conductors are placed at the corners of the equilateral triangle. Such an arrangement of conductors is also referred to as equilateral spacing. Equilateral spacing. It is shown in the diagram below. So this is a symmetrical diagram. So let the spacing between the conductors be d and the radius of each conductor r. So the radius of each conductor r. The flux linkage of conductor A is given by the equation. So the flux linkage of conductor A. So both internal flux linkage and also external flux linkage. Please observe formula or equation carefully. The flux linkage of conductor A individually, conductor A 2 into 10 power minus 7 Ia log 1 by DAA. So what is the DAA? The distance between conductor A to A. What is the DAB? The distance between conductor A to B. What is the DAC? The distance between conductor A to C. So write the equation individually first. So first one, conductor A. Flux linkage is 2 into 10 power minus 7 Ia log 1 by DAA. So if any conductors are there, any 3 or 4 or 5, whatever the conductors, so any one conductor we taken as reference. That reference conductor having self GMD, that is nothing but R dash. So conductor A taken as reference. So 2 into 10 power minus 7 Ia log 1 by DAA. So for writing conductor B, please see 2 into 10 power minus 7 IB log 1 by DAB. Why we written as IB log 1 by DAB? Current carrying conductor of B is IB log. The distance between conductor A to B is D. So everything with respect to conductor A. Why? Because we finding the flux linkage of conductor A. The flux linkage of conductor A. So everything the conductor A as a reference. So conductor A taken as a reference. So we take as 2 into 10 power minus 7 log A. 2 into 10 power minus 7 IB log 1 by DAB. In third conductor, conductor C. So 2 into 10 power minus 7 IC log 1 by DAC. So what is the IC? Current carrying conductor C log 1 by DAC. What is the DAC? The distance between conductor A to C. So which is the reference? Conductor A is a reference. Why? Because we are finding flux linkage of conductor A. So what is replace all? What is a DAB? The distance between DAB is nothing but D. What is DAC? That is nothing but D. What is DAA? Is nothing but R dash. Replace all the values. So replace. So what we replace? DAB is equal to DBC is equal to DAC. That is equal to D. DAA is equal to R dash. So replace all the values. What you get? Flux linkage of conductor A is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 Ia log 1 by R dash plus IB log 1 by D plus IC log 1 by D. Here also there is a log. Okay. Here also log. So for a three wire system, the algebraic sum of current in the conductor is 0 for three wire system. So that is nothing but IA plus IB plus IC is equal to 0. So IA is equal to minus IB minus IC. So IA is equal to minus of IB plus IC. So algebraic అంటే in symmetrical if the circuit is balanced, how we can set the circuit is balanced, all the currents equal to 0. There is a three conductors IA plus IB plus IC is equal to 0. So IA is equal to minus IB minus IC. Take minus as a common, we get IB plus IC. So the flux equation becomes lambda, a flux linkage of conductor A is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 into IA log 1 by R dash plus IB plus IC log 1 by D. So we replace IB plus IC as minus IA. IB plus IC replaced with minus IA. So what we get, the flux linkage of conductor A is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7 IA log 1 by R dash minus IA log 1 by D. So this is in the form log A minus log B. So what you get the finally, tell me, 2 into 10 power minus 7 IA log B by R dash. So this is the formula log m minus log n, log m by n. So the inductor of conductor A is lambda A is equal to the flux linkage. So the inductor L is equal to lambda by Ia. The inductor of conductor L is equal to lambda by Ia. We get 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. Finally we get 2 into 10 power minus 7 log D by R dash. So the inductance of conductor B and C will also be the same as that of A. The inductance of three-phase line is equal to two-wire line. Means, so three-wire line or single-phase line. If the three-phase line with symmetrical is equal to inductance of single-phase line. This is a very important point. So the inductance of conductor B and C will also be the same as that of A. The inductance of the three-phase line is equal to the two-wire line.